My name is Stephanie. I am from the Austrian section of the IMT, the Funke, and I'm very excited to be attending my first Marxist University this year.
We're here in Toronto, looking forward to this year's International Marxist University.
I'm Fiona and I'm going to be attending the International Marxist University this summer.
Hi, my name is Kiara. I'm a Marxist in the United States and a member of the US section of the IMT Socialist Revolution.
This is Sipo and I'll be watching the International Marxist University in the Free State of South Africa in Bloemfontein with my fellow cadres. Hope to catch you there.
I will be watching the IMU here in Denmark with the other Danish IMT comrades as we are having a watch party in the Danish section.
I'm going to be watching the IMU again this summer in Bristol in a watch party with comrades from different parts of that region, from Reading, from Cardiff, and even people from Devon and Cornwall.
The thing I'm probably most looking forward to is to meeting all the comrades from around the world, even if it's only online, and to listening to and involving myself in all of the discussions that will take place.
I normally get to watch the IMU with comrades and friends at a watch party, so that's always really exciting as well.
One of the best things is being there virtually with comrades from all over the world. You know, we have comrades from Pakistan, from South Africa, from all over South America, all over Europe. And, you know, you're connected to this bigger movement with everyone fighting for the same thing, you know, fighting to change the world.
If you haven't already gotten your ticket, I highly recommend you do so. There will be a lot to learn and discuss at this year's International Marxist University. See you there.